Hi everyone, this is me Ajay Sharma, and as you know that today we are having the discussion and our topic is Western culture versus Indian culture. Okay, if my contemplation about this topic, then I would like to say you that I will also agree with you that I am not going to against Indian culture, but here you can also talk about the Western culture. Right now you can see that in all over the world, the Western culture is dominating. If you see that the clothes which we are wearing, we are totally we are totally copying the Western culture right now. And because we are also wearing the jeans and all, like culturally, like if you see by their cloth style and all, like Western culture had totally dominated in all over the country. Okay, and you can talk about the world, and if you talk that about their mentality is better than Indian people. If you ask me how, after 18 plus, if you see in Western culture, like if you go in America, or like if you are going to see that in Britain and like in European country, you will find out there those who have completed their 12th class and those who are under the graduation, they are working in MACD. They are totally dependent. They are not, they are not dependent on their parents. They are totally independent. They are like dependent on their self. They are working there, they're making money, and they are controlling, they are maintaining their own expenses. They are not asking money with their parents. But here in India, you can see that the guy, they are 30 plus, they are 30 plus, 25 plus, 26 plus, still they are asking the money to their parents. You can see the mentality.
On pension. They are depending on pension.
And I would like to say you that here you should observe that how is our mentality and how is their mentality. So now I would ask that your contemplation, but is your contemplation about this topic?
As per my opinion, the Indian culture is better than the Western culture because as being a Indian, so Indian culture gives you a lot of things. Indian culture gives you freedom. Indian culture gives you right. So why do you want to criticize Indian culture? Indian culture provides you everything. So how can you blame the Bharat Mata? Okay. And if you talk about Western culture is not better in some ways. Like they are always, most of the time they are talking out of the mind. Like they are talking about some private topics.
But brother, here you are talking about the educational, okay?
Yeah.
But still I can show you that in India, most of guys, they are not able to talk openly about the sex education. If you are going to provide them, sex education like in at a school and all, even that students' mentality is not good. They started to laugh on their teacher when they are gonna to teach, science chapter. And if you see that, like they are talking about the sex and all. So you can't say that yeah, they are bad. They are totally open minded. That's why they are talking. We are not. If you are going to teach this kind of concept and all, and you can also see that, like if you go in Western culture, if you see that to them, openly they are talking about this concept and all, as we are not talking if you compare to ourselves to them.
But if you talk about the security and all of these countries, so the Western countries don't have much security for the citizens. And
You are talking about the security they are having better than us.
how?
The government of theirs, they pay money each and every month, but here nobody is talking about. You are giving the pension, you are talking right now, the issue is going on. Even if they are now, maybe that I have heard about it, maybe is it wrong or right, they are going to reduce some pension of the older person. So you can see that their government is supporting to them. They are giving them subsidy. Which type of subsidy you are getting here? Are you getting any kind of subsidy? Are you getting any kind of loan in education? But you are talking that our prime minister is giving this, our prime minister is giving this. Okay, I can agree with your prime minister. I respect him. But have you seen that any kind of loan you are given? No. Now if you see that, if you say that no, we don't have like that kind of awareness and all, so how will you get the awareness? But they are having good scheme. The government is working with them. They are developed country. Still we are developing. We are not well developed. So why are you saying like this? Their government, until or unless the girls is not gonna to be 18 plus, okay, the government is maintaining their expensive. They will not have to spend money on their education. But here we have to spend lots of money on our education. If we are going to prepare for the UPSC and all, you have to take the coaching, and what is the price of the coaching. And everybody can't take online class. Everybody doesn't feel good to take online class. Some guys they don't feel good to take online class. Some of the guys they feel good to take offline class. Everybody cannot get satisfied while taking the online class, so they have to go for the offline class, because sometimes the screen and all, it's also hurts on your eyes.
Yes.
So you should talk about it. And here, if you are going to take education loan, they will charge you lots of things.